Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for the joy of computing using Python, week 9, assignment 9. So the first question is, assume the text for Hamilton contains only the words liberty, liberty the constitution. After pre-processing, what will be stored in author underscore tokens Hamilton? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is A. And now let's go to our question number 2. If an author's text contain only stop word, what happen when plotting their word length distribution? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B. An empty plot is generated without bars. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which author property is directly visualized in the plotted graphs? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C. Word length frequency. And now let's go to our question number 4. If the disputed corpus contains significantly longer average words than others, how would this most likely appear in the plot? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. A wider spread with peaks at larger word lengths. And now let's go to our question number 5. Suppose text blob returns a sentiment polarity of 0 for j. What does this imply? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is A. J's text is emotionally neutral overall. And now let's go to our question number 6. If the stop word filter were removed from pre-processing, which change would most likely occur? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B. Word length distribution shift toward shorter lengths. And now let's go to our question number 7. Why is sentimental analysis performed on the entire text rather than token level sentiment? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is B. Corpus level sentiment smooths local noise. And now let's go to our question number 8. If the shared corpus was written by multiple authors, what pattern would most likely appear? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C. A broader, less consistent distribution. And now let's go to our question number 9. What is the primary purpose of using nx.read underscore edgelist Facebook combined.txt in the case study? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is A. To create a graph where user are nodes and friendship are edges. And now let's go to our question number 10. Why does the code check if you are not equal to B before computing the shortest path? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B. To avoid self loops that always have zero path length. And now let's go to our question number 11. What does the list shortest underscore path underscore length underscore list primarily represent? So these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is C. All shortest path length between distinct pair of nodes. And now let's go to our question number 12. Which metric from the code is most relevant for validating the 6 degrees of separation concept? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is D. Average shortest path length. And now let's go to our question number 13. If the network is fully connected, what would most likely happen to the maximum shortest path length? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is C. It would remain relatively small. And now let's go to our question number 14. Why does the case study mention exponential growth in connections? So these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is C. Because friend of friends connection expand rapidly with each step. And now let's go to our question number 15. What is the computational limitation of the approach used in the code? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is D. It computes shortest path for every node pair, which is expensive. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.